In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product in Clickfunnels. We're focusing on creating a global product, which is perfect if you're running a store or plan to use the same product across multiple funnels. A global product lets you set it up once and reuse it anywhere in your account, keeping pricing and details consistent and saving you a ton of time. Start on your Clickfunnels dashboard. From here, head to Products, then select All Products. This is your central hub for everything you sell. Click the Create Product button to begin. You'll be asked to choose a product type, and there are two options, physical or digital. Pick physical if you're shipping something tangible, like a book or merchandise. Pick digital if it's something delivered online, such as a course, a download, or access to a membership. Choosing the correct type helps keep your setup organized and aligned with how your customers will receive what they buy. Next, enter your core product details. Give your product a clear name that you'll recognize later, especially if you plan to use it in multiple funnels. Add a concise, benefit-focused description so it's easy to understand at a glance. Then set your pricing. You'll see price types like one-time, subscription, and payment plan. One-time is a single charge, great for standalone purchases. Subscription charges customers on a recurring basis, monthly or yearly, for example, ideal for memberships, software, or ongoing services. Payment plan splits a larger price into several smaller installments, which can reduce buying friction for higher ticket offers. Choose the option that best matches how you want to charge, and fill in the associated amount and billing structure. As you enter this information, think about consistency. Use naming conventions that make sense across your catalog, and write a description that matches how you talk about the product in your funnels and marketing materials. If you're unsure about anything, don't worry. You can always come back and edit the product later. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your product is now added to your global product list. From this point on, whenever you build or update a funnel, you'll be able to select this product without recreating it each time. This keeps your pricing aligned across funnels and makes updates much simpler. To recap, go to Products, open All Products, create a new product, choose physical or digital, add your name, description, and pricing type, and save. With that, you've successfully added a global product in Clickfunnels, ready to use wherever you need it.